Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are back here once again with our unboxing. And for this month, I am so happy to be doing this one. I want to say this is my favorite subscription that I have so far, and it is the Boxycharm subscription. This one is for the month of April. I know it's a little bit late, but I just haven't had the chance to get into my boxes, and I'm finally getting to everything slowly but surely. So for this one here, it is a $21 a month subscription. So it started off at being $21 a month, but for some reason there have been little changes here and there. It was a $21 flat fee before, and then they started saying that they were possibly going to start charging taxes depending on the state that you were in. I am in California, but recently they have been charging me an even $23. So I haven't done the math yet, but I just find it a little bit odd that it's an exact $23. I don't know, but I think still for what you get in here, $23 per month for 4 to 5 full-size products. So that's what I love about this one, that you're not going to get your little tiny deluxe sample. You're going to get a full size. And it is for sure to be worth at least $100. Usually it tends to go up above $100. Lately they've been just above 100, but sometimes they go up pretty high. But at least $100 for $23 worth, for $23 that you pay a month. So let's get inside and see what we got this month. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. You get your little pamphlet here in the front, and you always have your protecting sponge here. That way things don't bounce around and they don't break. So I like that. So our theme for this month is peace and love. Peace, love, and boxy. And you get your little desert thing here. And in the back, you get your product information along with the retail prices. So let's get into our first item and see what we got. Okay, so our first item here is by Pretty Vulgar. And I believe this is a liquid or cushion eyeliner. Huh? Oh. So in this little pod, this is a gel eyeliner. I really like the packaging on this. Pretty Vulgar has pretty nice packaging on all of their products. This one here, you probably can't see anything, but directly in there you have your eyeliner. And I see that they made it look like back from like the old times when they used to write with just ink and a feather. I think that's kind of like the idea here. It's very, very pretty. And it is in the color Blacklist. So I'm excited to try this one out. I hope it doesn't dry out too fast. And let's see our price here. Our MSRP, it's supposed to be $24. And it says this is a highly pigmented gel eyeliner that provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition lids. So, and then it's also water resistant. So, this sounds pretty cool. I wear eyeliner every single day. So if this is an easy application, I will most definitely be using this every single day. Our next product here, it is from Artist Couture, and it is the Diamond Glow Powder. That's what the packaging looks like. And I believe this is going to be a highlighter. I believe they had different shades of, the highlighter that you can get. So this is the one that I got here. It is in Purple Dream. This is what the inside looks like. It looks like you can just move this over to open up the little sifter so you can take your product out. So let's see if I can do that and get a little quick swatch. Ooh, that is very nice. That is it on my fingertip. And whoa. Okay, that is beautiful. It does have like a purplish, pinkish shift to it. But when you first look at it, it almost looks golden. It is very pretty. It is it here. It does have like a pinkish, purplish shift to it. It is very nice. It's not normally something that I would wear, but now I see why this is called Purple Dream. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up before I drop it and spill it. But that is a very, very pretty color. And this is why I like getting these subscription boxes, because they tend to give you different things, something that you won't typically go out and buy. But this is very, very pretty. Let's see what else we have inside. And our next item here, it is from Appeal Cosmetics, and it is a holographic lip gloss. This is it here, and it's very cute, simple packaging. It is a clear lip gloss, but it seems like it has a bunch of tiny little like shimmer, like little glitters inside, which will give you the holographic tint to it. So let's see if I can swatch it. Okay, so on the swatch, it just pretty much looks like a clear lipstick. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It is right here. It just looks glossy, I guess. But up close, you can see the little tiny glitters that give off the holographic tint to them. It's very pretty. I don't tend to wear a lot of lip glosses, but if I ever do need one, I know I have one here. And it doesn't have any scent to it, so it's not going to bother you. This is pretty cool. Not my favorite item of the box, but let's see what else we have inside. Okay, and up next we have a 3-piece brush set by Luxie Brushes. I love getting any type of brush in my boxes because brushes tend to be very expensive sometimes. Even with the most inexpensive ones, you know, it's still a pretty good chunk of change. So these are the 3 that we get in this set. They are very pretty. They are very soft. I do own other Luxie brushes. The little handle, you can see the ombre fading into like the yellowish color at the bottom. And then let me see what kind of brushes we got here. We should have a small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, which I believe is going to be this one. You know, set down your lines for your contour. And then we also have a small shader brush, which is perfect to pat on the base, shadow, and glitter. And which I think should be this one, this little flat brush here. These are the ones that I usually use to pat down, you know, a color that you want to be, you know, very out there, very pigmented. And then we have here a shader brush. Like I said, these are very, very soft. I love their brushes already, so I'm very excited we got these in our box. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette here. It is from Pure Cosmetics. It is not the first time that they team up with Boxycharm and create a palette specifically for the box, and that's what this one is. It is the Festival palette, and you get 12 pressed pigmented shades in here. Here are the shades that you get inside of your palette, and let's see what the palette itself looks like. Okay, so this is our palette here. It is so beautiful. You do get your mattes, you get your neutrals, and then you get your pop of color here in the center. And these here are pressed like glitter shades, which look just amazing. Whoa. Okay, so here it is on my finger, and let's see here on my hand. That is it there. It feels like it has like a little bit of a grip to it. But you will most definitely need to use a glitter glue under this so they can go ahead and stick to your eyelid, because any other way I don't see them sticking on there. You're gonna need something strong to keep them in. Let's just do some quick swatches of just random colors. So here I have 3 different colors, 2 matte and then one of the metallics. Okay, I'm not the best swatcher ever, but here are the colors. This is a dark brown. This is more of a brick burnt orange. And this was our metallic shade. Like I said, I'm not the best swatcher, so I'm probably not doing it justice. They are very, very pretty colors. Once you go over them a few more times, They blend very, very nicely. They are very pigmented, and I am super excited to try this palette out. They are such beautiful colors. I'm not too sure if I will ever use both of these. I don't tend to experiment with colors like this because I don't know where I would wear these to. I know they brought this out for festival season. I don't typically go to any of those type of festivals, but I'm sure these would come in handy during those events. Okay, so those are all of our products for our box. I am always super happy when I open these boxes just because, again, they are full-size products. They are things that I typically wouldn't go out to buy. They introduce me to brands that I've never heard of, but once I try them out, I see that they're, most of the time, they're great. So I'm not mad at the different things that they give me. So I am excited about my palette here. Of course, I love the brushes, and this one is very interesting here. Our what's it called? Our highlighter. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. What variation did you guys get? Oh, really quick, let me give you the MSRP value of the products before we go. So the palette MSRP is $36. The 3-piece brush set and our brush, why can't I say it? And our 3-piece brush set will cost $28. That's MSRP. Again, like I said, brushes do tend to be pretty pricey, and I'm glad I got them in my box. The Artist Couture Glow Powder MSRP is $27. Our lip gloss here, our holographic lip gloss, it is $21. And our Pretty Vulgar eyeliner will cost $24. So I will go ahead and do the math, add them up, and I will go ahead and put it somewhere here on the screen so you can see the total value of my box. Keep in mind, I only paid $23, so whatever I got was totally awesome. I am actually really happy. So let me know what you guys think. That is the end of this video. Again, remember, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And I'm all done here, so I hope I will see you guys later. Bye.